Oh. I didn't know we had rain last night. Must have. This path is extremely narrow, and if I do put my foot slightly off course, it does just go straight down. Start slipping. But this is the fun part. This is where I totally rely on all these coffee trees along the way to pull me up. The view. Oh, somebody's close. Okay. Hello, smart man. How are you doing today? Did you happy? Yes, me is happy. Oh, good boy. Thanks for waiting. Oh, I must say I'm breathing quite heavily because usually I don't go up that fast. I just walk. I usually sit on some rocks, take it in, have a moment, talk to the dogs, talk to myself, talk to God. And have my thoughts for the day. Not plan the day, but just take into account what kind of day I'd like to have. So on and so on. You know, putting it out there. Hey, Minty. Yeah, it's slippery over here. Thanks for watching over me. More coffee trees. Whew. It's going to be a hot day. At least you can't smell this jacket I'm wearing. Whew. I think it's got quite a few years of walking Rio ingrained into it. Yikes! It's not mine. I'm just borrowing it. So if I get lost, you know, if I fall down the path or roll over and hurt myself, then the dogs would hopefully be able to smell me, track me just based on this. That's my theory anyway. Come on. Oh, there's loads of avocados everywhere. I mean, this might be a beauty. Doesn't seem to... Oh, there's a crack there. But have a look when we get back. See, there's a ton of avocado trees all around here. So I think they've all been picked. But now I think a lot of them have been ready. Here and there find a good one, but about half good. Otherwise, I think the locals, they do realize how much we Westerners love avocado, and sometimes they really try and rip you off. Yesterday, somebody wanted to charge me charge me 15Q for two, which is $2. And I mean, it's way too much. It's way too much for 2 avocados, which are usually 5Q, so under $1 for 2. I mean, sure, they're great in good conditions, but doesn't mean I need to pay UK prices for one. Ranting over. This was okay, and this is our point where we meet to go down. Vamos! Come on! Goodies! Goodies! Ratties! Minnie! Also! Let's go! We're here at the banana tree. Good, good. Also! Gordo! Gordo! Goodies! Oh, he'll come along. Good, 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 good. Good workies, good workies. Good, good Minnie. Kiddo, come on. Well, now I've got my hands full. Try and manage to put these in the pockets. They weigh me down. Ground me a bit more. I've already got a metal chain leash kind of thing for Gordo if we get into trouble and I need to pull him away. Then I've got a torch, a toilet roll, a mangled toilet roll. Ah, look at this beautiful banana tree. And a pepper spray, which thankfully is good to know that's never been used. And all of this commentary is actually useless because I'm sure I've mentioned a lot of it on my previous posts. Go on, what are you waiting for? Who am I talking to? You think I'm on the telephone to somebody, is it? Come on, let's go. Shortcut. Oh, that's a good one. But it's all squished. Oh. Oh. He likes You like avocado? Yes? No? Goodies? Who likes avocado? You just don't eat that. Who likes avocado? Go on. Goodies likes avocado. Also? Yeah, we're trying it. Little snack, huh? That hardly happens, doesn't it? Nice squished, juicy avocado. Usually they're fed by now, so that's why I'm giving that to them. My boys and my one girl, yes. Come on, go get the view. I'm not sure how long this GoPro will actually record for on this card. Let's go, guys. I think it's gonna be. Gorgeous. Oh. Happy? Happiness.